evening, friends. I'm with Captain Sumbeling of the Community Relations Service.
Civil Relations.
Civil Relations Service of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. There's a very exciting event here happening at the Gateway Mall. Captain Sumbeling, could you please share with us what's happening now?
Good afternoon po, sir. We're currently having the culminating day po. Actually, we have 3-day activities for the celebration po of the first ever Armed Forces of the Filipino People Week celebration. It is a newly promulgated act, Republic Act number 10664, which was approved by the President Benigno Aquino last July 15. So, declaring every last day of August po as the Armed Forces of the Filipino People Week. Kasabay na rin po ito sa National Heroes Day. Today is National Heroes Day, so we are culminating the last day of the Armed Forces of the Filipino People Week plus the National Heroes Day. So we are having here a different exhibit and displays po from capability of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, from the Philippine Army, Philippine Navy, Philippine Air Force, Philippine Marines. We also have the Technical Service booth. We also have your recruitment booth, and then meron din po tayong nag-join na ibang exhibitors like the Hero Foundation, who are in charge of, who are advocating or generating donations from people. That proceeds of which will go to the orphans of our soldiers who are killed in action. Isa rin pong participant natin po yung Teach Peace, Build Peace movement. They are peace heroes advocating non-violence and advocating peace regardless of faith. So, yun po yung objective ng Teach Peace, Build Peace movement. Prior to this po, we have a 2-night concert series sa baba po, sa may concert ground. So, featured po dito ang iba't ibang combo ng ating mga sundalo. Ayan, from the Army, Air Force, Navy, and Marines also. And may mga tumugtog din po civilian bands who showed support for the armed forces. So overall po, this is the objective of these activities, showing the appreciation of the Filipino people to the services of our past and present heroes, to the service that the armed forces provided to the nation in terms of nation building, national security, socio-economic development. Ito po yung culminating day. And then later po, meron pa rin po tayong acoustic bands na ang mag-entertain po yung bands from the Civil Relations Service, Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Thank you very much, Captain Sumbeling.
For the Navy, sir, it's Lieutenant Sumbeling for the Navy. Pero ito po yung captain from sa Army and Air Force.
I see. Okay. So I need to be educated about the ranking system.
Yes, it's different for the Navy.
This will not be the first and the last. I will be following up on the activities of the civil relations. Civil. Okay. I'm still mixed up with the names of the military department.
Yes.
Yeah. But congratulations. I am glad to know that today is that there's such a thing as the Philippine Army. Is that correct?
Armed Forces.
Armed Forces of the Philippines Week. Congratulations to all our soldiers out there.
One of our sponsors pala, sir, is the Araneta Center. And Gateway Mall, Araneta Center.
This is Rom Kumagun with Lieutenant and Captain Sumbeling of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Thank you.